Welcome back, chemistry fans. As you can see, I am not in class today. You are in a big room filled with a bunch of people, so hopefully you can make some progress on your own. The goal today is for you to finish your practice for the mole. So let's talk about your agenda. Let's share the screen here and get into today, where if you will see day 20, the objective today is for you to continue your practice. I'm going to ask that you get into the warm-up here. I'm going to record a video for you with these 3 problems. I believe if it will show 2 problems, I'll show you how to solve those. Make sure that you pause, you check your work, you don't just go straight to the answers. Make sure that you understand you have a test next class. That next class happens for you on Wednesday. So Wednesday of next week, you will have this unit 4 exam. It is a very short test. How short, you say? I'll show you in just a second how many questions are on it. Not very many. If you're curious today, you are 22% done, and this is the end of the quarter by also. So that means by today at 2:20, you have to have everything in that you want graded. That means if you have some kind of corrections, please turn them in. If you have late work, don't worry about it. You've already gotten partial credit for that one, but anything that has been graded and you want to try and improve tests, homeworks, notes, laboratories, fix all those things. If it's prep for the test, you should have already have turned that one in. So don't forget that tie-dye is happening for us December 8th, and I would ask that you consider giving this to someone else if you're not going to keep it and wear it. It's going to be $7 cash check or on school online that you can pay for that one. There are no real new notes for us. The only real new aspect that we're going to talk about is you need to watch the videos here about how we make the conversions from moles to liters. If you haven't already, moles to grams, moles to atoms. All of those details need to be addressed. Here are your links so you can turn in your notes, your laboratories. There are 2 laboratories. I'll have videos up for those, and your exam prep. And then here is where I need you to get into the mole practice. So if you were to click on this link here, you would find some additional problems. Here are answers to those problems. You need to practice those before you get yourself out of the substitute today. And then there will be an activity that you can participate with up here, and I will have balloons and scales for you so that you can actually do this activity. Homework is down here at the bottom. If you want to practice yourself, I suggest every one of you do the mole quiz so that you know what you are up against, what you are trying to accomplish. And as I previously stated, 6 questions. That's it. We're on this test. So that means that you can't miss any aspect of this and still do well on this test. You need to practice. You need to know your map very, very well. So this is everything that I wish to share with you for your exam. Thank you very much and good luck. I hope that you have a great extended weekend. I will see you in class next week when we take the test. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.